Alright, what up, what up? What's going on, everybody? Let me see if you can hear me now. Okay, cool. You should be able to hear me now. We're just getting set up. So let me run through real quick and let's just get some of our music going. Do 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 do. That coming through this. Much better. Just turn that audio off. We don't need the speakers on. Alright, let me make sure this is coming through. Doesn't look like it right now. Gonna get the stream pulled up. See if anybody's on here. Switch to my other channel. Do. Boom. Alright, let's go ahead, pop on here, pop on the stream. Hear my daughter in the background. Make sure everything's working. Alright, looks like my audio is coming through. Just give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Alright, gang. We're back. We're back. If anybody's in here, feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Come say what's up. You know, I love talking to you guys. I want to see what you guys are working on. See what progress you guys got going. Woo! Oh, shit. We're going to be fiddling around with Hermes here. We changed around the AI model benchmarks a little bit. I really do think, staring at this a lot, we're going to pick up a GPT 5.5 subscription one of these days soon. So let's see if it's up and running. Alright, I don't think that worked. What's been happening is my my computer's been restarting in the middle of the night. That's running Hermes. And the issue with that is it doesn't just automatically reboot Hermes. All right. Let me go ahead and jump into BridgeMind and just fucking deafen up. All right, we deafened. Alright, cool. Looks like we got some new people here. I went ahead and set out some random friend requests, some people in BridgeMind and some other servers. Hopefully that'll get some more people on the stream. otherwise, you know, just build some connections, meet some cool people. I've met a lot of cool people in these past couple months. Just talking to people on Discord from all around the world, which is pretty dope. Alright. It looks like Hermes didn't start on its own after restart. This could be because of a couple different things. My account doesn't automatically sign in on the computer. It has a PIN. Is there a way to launch Hermes anyways? Alright, let's go ahead, boot up Handy. Whoops. Too used to using Hermes. Yo, what up? Looks like we got somebody here on the stream. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. Welcome here. We're just messing around with Hermes right now. Basically, what happened is my computer keeps restarting in the middle of the night because it keeps doing Windows updates. And Hermes doesn't automatically boot back up. So one thing I could do is just turn off the restart feature so that way my computer doesn't restart. But I do want it to actually install the updates. So I'm trying to see if first, before doing that, we can get it to actually get around the fact that it needs to log in with a PIN or something on boot to boot up Hermes. Yeah. Okay. I also saw that Hermes launched a dashboard, which is pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that as well in a little bit. But I'm not sure if I can run multiple tasks. I don't think I can run in Hermes, run multiple tasks at the same time. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I know with the dashboard I should be able to. But right now I can't. Oh, let me go ahead and pin the Discord in the chat. Can you guys hear the music at all? Can you hear me fine? Looks like the music's coming through, but I know it wasn't that loud yesterday, so hold on. Pin message. Boom. Okay. What else was I gonna do? I just totally lost my train of thought. I also had a cool idea with Hermes too that we'll explore in a little bit, dealing with Discord. Alright, so let's fire up Visual Studio Code. Oh, I remember what I was going to do. Boom, get that done, get that out of there. Alright, what's launched right now? Can you launch the server and boot it up locally? See what happens here. I supposedly built a skill because no matter what model I use, it fails to launch the server on the same attempt. On the first attempt, I mean. But we haven't tested it yet, so I suppose this will be the test run right here to see if it actually works. Alright, so we'll let Hermes kind of do whatever it's doing right now, and then after this, I'm going to get it to actually boot up the dashboard. I think I'm going to turn up the music a little bit on my end, actually. That could be what it was yesterday too. I didn't fully have the YouTube like sound up all the way. It was pretty booming yesterday though. All right, let's boot up another instance of Visual Studio Code. Projects. Bakes. Can you boot up the server for this locally? We have another server open right now or opening up right now. Can you make sure that you launch on a different port than that one? Boom. Also, what music is playing? It's still Rainmaker. Okay, good. Alright, let's see how this is doing. Alright, task runs. Hermes is active. Let me verify the catch up. Hopefully you can't hear all the commotion in the background right now. But I wouldn't be surprised if you can. Fucking doorknob jingling. Alright. This is almost done. Something's got to be booted up soon. What the hell is that, dude? Oh. Yeah, I don't know what these .ps1 files are. That always seems to boot up. Let me take a look, see what this is. Okay. Makes sense. Yo guys, welcome to the stream. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Let me know what you got going on, what you're working on. Come say hi, what's up? Right now, we're just getting everything booted up. We got 2 servers booting, and then we're also waiting on Hermes because Hermes, my computer's been restarting at night, installing updates. So it might be done actually. No, it's still typing. I don't know why these servers take so long to boot, honestly. I feel like it's pretty easy, like when I do this manually. Let's see. Alright, not booted yet. Not sure this is taking. Okay. This one is booted. So one of them is booted. Alright, I think, if I'm not mistaken, we've gotten the Google Maps to start scraping. To New York, right around me. I think Google Maps works. I haven't tested like multi-running at the same time though. I think all the other ones fail. I mean, this doesn't even need to do anything anymore. Like, it's literally just... I don't know what this is running. Like, the server is already gone. So I'm not sure, like, what this is doing anymore. Service is active, but catch-up log is still empty. The service is already running, so... O'Shea. Freaking Sly's here. Okay. Cool. Nobody's on in Tommy's server right now. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. Either these can't run at the same time, or none of the other ones work. We'll see what we get out of this one. Wait, that's not the right. Oh, didn't mean to click on that. It doesn't properly copy from here for some reason. There we go. I think we made like a 3D test page, but honestly, I don't know, man. We might actually just leave this simple. It only needs simple. I gotta figure out some animations that will kind of go with this. Oh, we need to tweak some of these Facebook reviews if we haven't already. Let's go to GitHub. Get that booted up. What is this? Let's just X stuff out. There's too much running. Testing payments. I think this site should be up and running pretty soon, and then we can cash out a little bit. Let's check our usage. The site probably honestly can be up and running at this point. It probably honestly works well enough. Just gotta take down the other one, put this one up. But I'll do that off stream. Users doesn't list the email right now. I think we fixed that. I feel like some of these issues we've already resolved. Okay, so the admin page is down. Unless that's just a bug. Sometimes it bugs out and makes us refresh it for some reason. That we might need to look into. Some of the pages kind of bug out and make us refresh them to see that they're working again. Alright, so what was it? It was the users page. Doesn't list the email right now. Users does list the email. So that's inaccurate anymore. Yeah, actually this is quite annoying. So a lot of the pages kind of bug out from time to time and show some issues until we refresh the page, and then it will actually load the page again. I have the console information or the error information. I'm not sure if this will be helpful or if this pertains to another error. Alright, let's feed it that. Let's check on this. It looks like Hermes didn't start on its own. All done. Here's the final setup. Old approach, startup folder, only fires after you sign in with your PIN. Remove both. Okay, cool. Can you restart my computer so we can test it? Alright, so we're going to test this real quick. You can see that's doing something in the background. Yeah, so this just failed on all accounts. Yesterday, actually, Bing Maps... No, it wasn't Bing Maps. Was it? Bing was working yesterday. So maybe if we uncheck everything, that or just nothing pops up for the area. Like, if we put in Austin, Texas, I bet something pops up. Oh no, it's getting blocked. Okay, so Bing is getting blocked right now. Let's test out the verify feature. I haven't tested this yet. Alright, so this is still not even fully active, dude. Alright, so I want you to actually populate the contact page with real information from real users that have already signed up on the site because I want to test out some different features. Alright, music.
I thought this viral pressure nozzle was another cleaning scam. 3 months later, I haven't touched my $400 pressure washer once. They're called Aquaxis, and they're nothing like those weak.
Alright, we can just auto approve this. I haven't logged into Supabase in a little bit. Alright, let me sign into Jake's Bakes. Chat messages. Alright, I don't think Hermes works, so we're just going to need to sidetrack that whole issue for another time. Let's just connect to this. Let's get the Hermes dashboard set up. Alright, we don't need that enabled. Razor. Definitely don't need Spotify launcher enabled. Nope. So the only thing is AnyDesk. TeamViewer, I guess, just isn't on this list and just automatically appears, so that's cool. Discord automatically starts. Want you to boot up the Hermes dashboard. Alright, I don't know if Hermes auto updates every single time you launch it. All right. I don't know that this is doing the right thing. I probably should have given it more context because pretty sure it's not. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay. Gateway is restarting. GitHub. GitHub stars. Wait, no, it's not stars. Hold on. It's not that one. What are you doing at this point? The server is already accessible. All right. Where is it? Where is it? This is fine. The order sizes for 200 people is quite a bit large. We don't oftentimes do orders that large. The other thing is we don't do custom cakes, so get rid of the word custom. But we do make cakes, so that is okay. Also, we're not allowed to use cream cheese frosting. Alright, so this did misunderstand what I was saying. Alright, so I want you to populate the admin contact page with real information so that way I can start testing out the admin page. It might be set up with Supabase. Bam, 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 bam. Do, do, do. I want to be able to run thumbnail A/B tests for different products. So can you set up the admin page so that way I can run these tests? Bro, my hair is looking crazy, man. I need to get a haircut. Alright, let's see if this is back online. Is it back online? Alright, looks like it's back online. Gotta look up Hermes dashboard, man, because it's not launching itself, apparently. Let's see what this is. If this is the accurate thing. Did you launch the Hermes dashboard? Okay, Hermes dashboard, no open. That English though, nice, nice. One commit available. The previous Hermes update was interrupted when the gateway restarted. There's still one commit available. Want me to run the update again? Oh yeah, shit, dude. Dude, it didn't even, it didn't update. What? Hi, beautiful. Hold on, it's doing something. I don't know what it's doing right now. Feel free to pop your in the chat. I see we got somebody on here. Come say hi. I don't think I'm that scary over here. Maybe a little bit, but... Alright, dashboard. Did it do it? Wait. Hold on. It looks like that did not work. Alright, my daughter's gonna try and knock my camera over, so give me a sec. Alright, that should work. Let's try one more time. Alright. Yeah, let's just have it updated, the Hermes first. Update Hermes, please. Alright, let's take a look at this. Integrating something into our web scraper. Probably could have one-shotted our web scraper just using this one tool. Didn't even need to build a web scraper, possibly, but I guess we'll see because I don't know what this thing is. To reply, blah, blah, blah. Let's take a look. We're working on a bunch of different things at once, so she can't make carrot cake. Not allowed to make carrot cake. Dude, it keeps restarting the gateway. I wonder can you update Hermes? It's just totally not doing that properly. Also, Cindy does most of the stuff within the business at this point. So if you want, you can mention Jake in the comments and you can mention Cindy as well. Alright, what was this one? Contact information, account. Alright, admin, bang bang. Contact. Let me run through a contact submission on the site. Let me see if this actually works. Hold on. Your message is sent. Alright, cool. Let me see. Just something random, man. Alright, it says replied. Let me check my email. Hold on. The contact page worked fine for sending a reply. Can you make the email prettier when I actually send it out to the person? Oh, also, let me see if they... If it works, if I... send out something. Damn, man. I guess it's only letting us have, maybe if we full screen it now. Sucker. Alright, can we also make the contact admin page accept inbound emails as well? Oh, you know what? Maybe it does. Hold on. Maybe it does. Namecheap. Boom. Okay. I think what the problem might be that we're gonna fix right now, I'm not sure if there's a catch-all mailbox set up. So we're gonna see right now if it lets me. Alright, I think that's something I might need to do on my laptop. Give me one sec. Won't be able to share this one on screen. Do. It's alright, Avery. I forget what the password is to this account. Gotta look real quick. I think we just reset the Namecheap account too, actually. Yeah, we did. Because I wasn't able to get into it. Hang on one sec, guys. Name cheap. Private email. Okay, manage. Catch all mailbox. All right, cool. Now this is the now this is the catch-all mailbox. So let me see if we send an email now. Because we might have gotten a failed Can we also make the contact admin page accept inbound emails as well? Right now, it can only outbound. I have the catch all mailbox for Jake's makes contact jakes-bakes.com. Put away my computer. Good night. Smiling, smiley. Yeah, you're just playing. Let's take a look at my Figma plugin. You're so smiley. You're so smiley. Wait, did Figma approve my plugin, but it just didn't tell me, bro? Bro, I think it might have approved my plugin, but it didn't tell me. No, cancel review. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's check this out. Plugin that I made for DaVinci Resolve. Only you can see your plugin. It's in review. In review. Damn, bro. Review takes mad long, dude. Taking so long, man. I submitted that like literally like more than a month ago, I feel like, at this point. I guess we're on the latest update, ladies and gents. Okay. Oh shoot. I gotta get some calls booted up too, man. Boom. What an amazing question, right, guys? Fucking, Alright, open this in my Windows browser. It doesn't actually work. I'm on my other machine on the network trying to access it. So it's probably only set up locally right now. I bet that's the case. Alright, let's get this set up. Let's check out our other stuff. Can't get banned from these sites, guys. It's running. Cool, so this is first look that Hermes dashboard if this properly gets up and running. Can you check to make sure I'm not signed into any of the websites that we're scraping? Honestly, I better have checked to make sure, because I don't need any of these accounts getting banned. Alright, this looks like this is the only one still working. What did we put in this one? Oh, it's setting up inbound. Okay. Yo, Phoenix, what's good, bro? How you doing, dude? Welcome to the stream, man. Messing around with Hermes a bit. And then we're also making a lead scraper and work on a website, man. I finally got to catch you live. Yeah, 100%, dude. It's not working. Oh, man. Hermes is not working, bro. What you been up to, Phoenix, man? What you been doing? Dude, life's good, bro. Life's always good. Gotta always look at the positives. Even when life's not good, it's still good. But right now, life is good. Should be able to add to that revenue counter soon, so that's nice after we get done with this website, which will help out jumpstart the Fiverr account. Not working, man. The only thing not good right now is apparently Hermes, because it's not booting up the dashboard. But we'll get that to be good soon. Nah, it's not working, bro. What the fuck? It's still not working. Do you, by any chance, Phoenix, do you have any of this stuff set up? Do you have OpenClaw, or do you use any of this stuff? And yeah, I'm working about on the Fiverr, looking for clients, of course. Yep. Cold calling people with demos. Yeah, I gotta start doing that, dude. I was cold calling for the video biz, but now that we're doing websites, you know, it's a fresh start. I got some family helping me out right now to kickstart the Fiverr. Of course, I'm doing actual work for them, which is great. You know, both of us are helping each other, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to fucking cold call, cold DM. Actually, a guy I was talking to yesterday, one of my friends has had a lot of success on LinkedIn, so I was thinking about, he was giving me the breakdown of what to do a little bit, but he was getting some pretty good responses and booking in a decent amount of calls off LinkedIn. And I don't even think he had anything in his profile either, really. Sending cold emails to creators if they want thumbnails, you know what I mean? Yeah, dude. It's the hustle, bro. I'm building a fucking lead scraping tool, so hopefully that will work. Last year, I still have a bunch of video production company leads, because last year I scraped leads literally like all day and all night for like a couple weeks straight. There's like this Google Maps scraper tool that I was using, but now I'm just trying to automate it, dude. Automate it and make a tool that I can potentially sell. Yeah, do you have it, dude? Or maybe you're talking about my lead scraping tool. Yeah, 100%, dude. I'm not sure when it's gonna... Right now it works for Google Maps, but I'm trying to get it to work with some other stuff. Do you have the Google Maps scraper? It's not automated, but it does fucking scrape Google Maps. Let me see if I have it on this computer, or if it's only on my other one. Instant data scraper. No, wait, no, this is a different one. Hold on. Or I need to be on Google Maps for it to work. Video production. You said you're doing cold emails for thumbnails. You're doing cold calling too? You said cold calling as well, right? Or just cold email? Yeah, no, this ain't it. Yeah, I wonder if you use the same one. Is it Google Maps Easy Scrape? Is this what it is? I don't think it's working right now. But anyways, yeah. No cold calling for thumbnails. Cold calling only for businesses with no websites. Ah, so you're doing both. Okay. I see, bro. That's smart, dude. I feel like now is the time more than ever. Mine is Smart Scraper. I haven't seen that one. Let me see real quick. Chrome extension. I'm thinking about picking up a fucking GPT subscription for thumbnails, dude. Interesting. Okay, this looks pretty good. It looks like you can actually scrape websites. Yeah, for thumbnails for other businesses, I've been thinking about doing GPT just because it's so quick. Alright, I'll bookmark this actually. I don't know which one it is. We finally got the Hermes agent running, dude. What AIs are you using, Phoenix? Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for popping in here, dude. Have a good one, bro. Alright, right now I use Claude, ChatGPT, and some models for image generation and video generation. Yup, Seed Dance, I remember you using that, Nano Banana, Image 2, and Google Flow. Yeah, I really like fucking Image 2, man. I think it's really good. Seed Dance is obviously really good. Nano Banana's been a fan favorite for a while. Google Flow. I haven't seen Google Flow, though, bro. What is Google Flow? I don't know how to turn off the sound on this, dude. Interesting, dude. So it's like a freaking Photoshop? Yo, this looks crazy, dude. Okay, that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to definitely check this out more in depth. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Mark this for later. Alright, I want to make some more agents now, too. Alright, that's working. So let's do visual assistant. Needs to be all lowercase? Okay. Lowercase letters, no spaces, I think. I want to use a different model, though, for this one. Kanban, we can run multiple tasks at once, which is cool now. Alright, let me pull this to the other screen so I can look at them at the same time. I want to make my visual assistant that I just made under profiles, multi-agents on the dashboard. I want to set that up with KimiK 2.6. Right now it has GLM 5.1, but it's supposed to be a visual assistant, so it needs to be able to read visual things, and KimiK 2.6 can do that. Alright. While that's working, let's check out the other stuff going on, man. Alright, so I should hypothetically be able to receive inbound emails. Not sure that's doing anything. Does it only let me send one reply? That or it's broken. Alright, I need to log into Supabase apparently. SQL editor. Let me run this. Alright, ran that. Go to resend. Okay. I'm gonna go to resend. We're gonna do this. Make sure I'm on the right account. Add a route for contact at jakesbakes.com pointing to your webhook. Go to resend dashboard. You've not received any emails. This is weird, man. So am I supposed to add a webhook here? What do you want me to do on resend? I just set up Supabase. Alright, let's see. Let me see if that's accurate. And it's accurate. Okay. Right, all lowercase must be. All right. Let's see what the reply looks like. All right, much better. Go to resend dashboard inbound. There's no section for inbound, bro. No section for inbound on resend. You know what? Let's test out the lead scraper. Let's see if Bing Maps is working now. Let's test Bing Maps. Dude, I'm fucking blocked. I'm blocked. Yellow pages. Some sources had issues. I don't think we need to be connected to that computer anymore. Oh, so once we go into the resend webhook page, okay, if I add a webhook on resend, it's looking for an endpoint URL and event types. Oh, I see. This is still working. Alright, I want to hear a different song, man, so I'm gonna boot something else up. Definitely gonna get copyrighted on this one, for sure, guaranteed.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform.
All right, here we go. We'll take the copyright claim. It's not gonna be a copyright strike, I doubt so. Smoking, I just wanna vibe. So right now the website is just running locally. It's not actually up yet.
When's the last time that you called
Just because.
Say hello just because. When's the last time we got drunk just because? When's the last time that we fucked just because? You promise you won't change up just because. I know you work in the morning, but tonight, girl, we should stay up just because. Pop some champagne in the tub just because. I said, when's the last time we made love just because? Just cause we ain't got shit to do. Lately you been so predictable. I just need someone to listen to. Damn it, I miss when you strip for no reason. I mean just for no reason. Shopping and buying me gifts for no reason. Now all you do is throw fists for no reason. That shit's so depressing. I miss how it used to be. Now you just got used to me. Used to how usually you get when I'm in your space. Now it don't feel like
oh man, bro.
We so routine, it's disgusting. Lately, girl, we've been so structured. I mean, how could we be so reluctant? I just want the same person I fell in love with. Cause when's the last time that you called just because? Say hello just because.
Alright, we'll pop this shit off.
Just because. When's the last time that we fucked just because? I promise I won't change up just because. Let's
get rid of this shit.
Chef up a meal in your hill just because. Throw on some Netflix and chill just because. Tell me, when's the last time we went out just because? Left the house just because. When's the last time I went down?
Look at YouTube Studio.
Just because. Tell me, when's the last time I said I'm proud just because? Make you smile just because. Act like some kids and play house just because. Throw on some gems and get loud just because. Just cause you're special. Don't let your job get the best of you. That's when you get the best of me. I feel we ain't been connecting mentally. I hope that you don't think any less of me. Damn it, I miss when you strip for no reason. I mean, just for no reason. Showers at night, candles lit on some sweet shit. Now what we do is throw fists for no reason. That shit's so depressing. I blame myself. Maybe it's
4:59.
Fuck it, girl. Just take your top off. That makeup sex. Wake up next morning and hop on that spaceship. Cruise all of the places that got lost in translation. Let's take your mind off it. Lately, girl, we've been so structured. I'm so in love, I just need you to trust it. You
it didn't look like. I don't think integrating that did anything, man.
And say hello just because. When's the last time we got drunk just because? When's the last time that we fucked just because? I promise I won't change up just because. You know I work in the morning, but tonight, girl, we should stay up just because. Pop some champagne in the tub just because. Hold up, when's the last time?
The code is all ready. No resend setup needed until you deploy. When you're ready, the steps are.
When's the last time you got loud just because, baby? When's the last time I?
Let's hear this song. It's like a new song. It's been a while. Can't remember if this one's good or not. I feel like it was for some reason, but I can't remember.
Yeah. I know you're going through a lot and you probably don't want to talk about this, but I'm just trying to understand a couple things. I just want to gain some perspective, if you don't mind. Look, I know it ain't my business, but I need to know your compass. What made you have a baby by a nigga you don't fuck with? I know you in your feelings, treat your anger like some comfort. Now you out here being spiteful with the nigga that you stuck with. Fuck it, I'm just wondering why you need it all. You wanna be a dad, but you won't let her be involved. I picture me being in his place. That shit I had me misplaced, contemplating my mistakes to beat it wrong. I hate a woman that be weaponizing children, knowing this will be the price. Now you all up on the gram, using sympathy for likes. Blocking every chance like he ain't never needed rights. I know some real fuck niggas that you.
Maybe I don't have inbound set up on the website.
Your kid wonder how come he ain't got a dad no more. I hope you heal all your unsolved trauma and heavy wounds. Shit that got you mad while bumping them petty tunes. plotting your revenge like using a stepping stool to push him over the edge and blocking his every move. You mad cause he got a new chick, and you'll be damned if he bring that baby around a new bitch. He said he left you out the driveway and got some new shit. Now ain't no way to keep it cordial and be on some cool shit. So you hit him where it hurts, but you don't get that a nigga gon' be a nigga. Like a woman is a gun and a trigger gon' be a trigger. And no matter how you feel about the shit that made you bitter, know your child needs a father, just something to reconsider.
Yo, listen, bitch. Not that serious. Stop following my line. Stop hitting me like you doing too much. I told you, you don't want to be my bitch. You don't want to let me fuck. That's fine, but I want nothing to do with the baby, and I want nothing to do with you. Right? If you don't want to be my bitch, and I don't want to be the father, so pull off that. Bye.
That's straight up, bro.
This shit ain't about to slide. What made you make a baby just to leave it out the dry? You call yourself a man, but you been living out a lie. Now your child gotta suffer cause his pops got no pride. I hate a fuck nigga trying to hide, avoid the shit that really needed you. Abandoned in your seeds just cause she don't wanna be with you. You say the only way you'll be around is if she sleep with you. Concerned about your needs instead of doing what you need to do. And I don't care what the past be, cause if I'ma keep it G, I think you need your ass beat. Yeah, I think you need a wake-up call, something you've been waiting for. Cause bitch niggas like you could never dab me. Plus your baby mama cool, she don't ever trip. She working 2 or 3 jobs like it's effortless. She put that life before her own, turn the house into a home. Handle business all alone, shit you never did. You never calling on no birthdays, holiday check-ins. Got a new bitch saying her new kids, your stepkids.
Alright, we're gonna fucking
shitting on your BM and treat her like some next bitch. But I ain't too surprised.
boot up the Fiverr real quick.
Had to like some hoes cause you ain't fit to see the picture. I hope one day you see that your problem is being bitter, cause your child needs a father, just something to reconsider, nigga.
Bro, I think this is like outdoing my voice. Nah. Alright. So I think we're gonna cap it at this, guys. So yeah. Alright. Think we're gonna shut down the stream here. But basically, if you guys are looking for a website, feel free to pop over to my Fiverr. I have it linked in the stream or on my YouTube channel. And basically we're building websites and apps like you're kind of seeing me here on stream, doing it live, building in public. Same kind of thing. You know, if you don't have a website, this is like, you know, internet is the age now, man. Got to get up with the times and get a website going to start bringing in some cash. And maybe you need an app too. So yeah, feel free to hit me up on Fiverr. You know where to find me, here or the Discord if you want to chat. Appreciate you guys popping into the stream, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.